Alright, so boom, I ain't riding in like a couple days. I'm gonna say like, I think like, yeah, a week. So that's cold start, right? Let's see how much gas I got first. Turn the gas on. Check that out. Can't be out here acting cool with that. Alright, got the car back on. Gotta make some adjustments. All around here and shit?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen you ride. You always out here?
I just started about a month ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
I just got the bike up the shop.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's what's
I was
up.
crashed, last night, went down there now. Big ditch.
You
they
went
had.
down there before?
Huh?
You went down there before?
Yeah, it's pretty safe.
And then they go to that dead end, right?
Yeah, once that dead end.
Yeah, I've
I
been.
used to walk down here about a year ago and wasn't there.
Yeah,
I went straight through it.
I think because they did that construction over here,
Yeah.
I think that's why they shut it off or whatever. Yeah.
There's a spot, this is that big field.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a big jump. If you go hard enough.
You ride over there?
Huh?
You ride over there?
Yeah. Hey, same thing, go!
Oh, he looking for you.
Yeah. I ain't never seen his ass before. I heard about him yesterday.
I was like, oh, he stopped. I said, oh, let me go get his
I
shit.
know, I was thinking about talking to you about hacked on Christmas Day.
Yo, if you jump back on and follow my Instagram, it's Bike Life Modes.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and catch up with that guy.
Yeah. Yo, let me know when you ride. Not today, though, because I'm about to go out.
I normally ride every day. Every time I get out of school.
Up, man.
I got a redneck. It's where I spit this on there.
Yeah, just be safe around there at night and shit. When you see like the cops and shit, just stay, like, I would say go on the sidewalk.
Yeah, I have. I've had one follow me for about 3 miles just on my ass.
Did he put the lights on you?
Nah, just followed me. I've seen since the day I got this thing.
Go and
I
shit.
have one lady call the cops and just said it's too loud. I'm like, it's a lawnmower engine. Yeah, I'm like, wait till I buy a Suzuki. I'm gonna come here and just straight pipe that shit and piss you off.
Yeah. Yo, but you have a good day, bro. Drive safe, man. All right. session.